based upon that legal Iman, we are Muslims. Real Iman is based on the personal conviction in the heart. And for salvation in the hereafter, to be counted a Muslim in this world, you need legal Iman. But to be counted as a mu'min on the Day of Judgment, you need real Iman. And that real Iman inevitably results in al-amalu salih. That's why Imam Bukhari, he says that good deeds are integral part of Iman. Although there's a difference of opinion in this interpretation, I've discussed these things in very detail, much detail. Only if you can listen to those audio tapes or view those video tapes. And in the same way, Man ra'a minkum munkaran falyughayyirhu biyadihi. فَإِنْ لَمْ يَسْتَطِعْ فَبِلِسَانِهِ فَإِنْ لَمْ يَسْتَطِعْ فَبِقَلْبِهِ وَذَلِكَ أَضْعَفُ الْإِيمَانِ. If you can't call a spade, you can't take the courage of saying, standing up and saying, this is wrong, this is haram, you have no Iman. This hadith is from Abu Sa'id al-Khudri radiyallahu ta'ala, reported by Imam Muslim rahimahullah. Whosoever amongst you sees something wrong, something haram, something which is according to the Sharia not permissible, which is munkar, it is his duty to change it with force if he has it. But if he can't do it, then at least with his tongue, he should say it. This is wrong, don't do it. And then there's a concession from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for the weak also. If even that courage you can't gather, at least feel in your heart some pain as to why this is happening. And this is the weakest point of Iman. In another hadith which is reported by Imam Muslim, from Abdullah ibn Mas'ud radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, the final wordings are, وَلَيْسَ وَرَاءَ ذَلِكَ مِنَ الْإِيمَانِ حَبَّةُ خَرْدَلٍ. Beyond this, there is not even a grain of Iman. If you see bad things even, then don't feel even. You don't feel any pain in your heart. There is no Iman whatsoever. It's a categorical statement. وَلَيْسَ وَرَاءَ ذَلِكَ مِنَ الْإِيمَانِ حَبَّةُ خَرْدَلٍ.